Hello friends, please hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon to get notified for new videos.
Friends, welcome back to the channel. As in my last video, we have learned how we can set up and implement the Google Translate API. If you missed that, then please watch it. Link is in I button. In this video, we will implement the same in our Friday program to make it more capable. So first, we need to import the Google Cloud Translate module. So as in my previous video, I have already installed it. So I have here also, that is where it is. Let me search for that. Google Cloud Translate. So here it is. So another way, so here you can just search Google Cloud Translate, translate. So from here you can just install it, or you can do just by typing the pip command. So this is the thing, and here you can just type pip install Google Cloud and then translate and hit enter. Then it will install. So it is already installed. So let's start with the coding. So we need the object of translate client. So here I'm going to get it. So translate client equals to translate dot client. So like this, and I forgot to import that module, so we need to import that from google dot cloud dot import translate. Yes, like this. So error is removed. So we got the object of translate client. Now we will going to create a function. So def translate, and I am passing an argument phrase, and now we will start our actual coding. So like phrase will be translate how are you in Japanese. So now we need to just translate this how are you. So while forwarding this request to Google, so we need to remove this translate and in and Japanese. So for that I'm going to splitting it, split phrase equals to phrase dot split, and I'm splitting it from spaces. Now I'm creating a list, remove equals to, this is the list. Now list remove dot append. So I'll have split phrase and the first index and last two, remove dot append split phrase -1 and -2 also. So I'm going to copy it and pasting it 2. So now we need to create a loop to remove that words translate and in Japanese from phrase. So for word in list remove, then phrase equals to phrase again dot replace word from blank. So let's see what we will have here. So I'm just giving a print command or print. So and I need to call this. So here let me just create another elif for this translate. So again here I'm going to create elif translate, sorry, not like this, I need to give string translate 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 in voice note, then this translate will be in execution. So like this. So phrase is already there, so I'm just keeping it as blank in the argument. So let's call it.
Hello, sir. This is your Artificial Intelligence Friday.
Translate. So let's see what we will have in phrase. So yes, we are getting how are you, but we are getting space also. So we are going to just strip it. So we have strip. So phrase dot strip, and here also we will have phrase, PHRASE, phrase. So yes, now we should have the exact one.
Hello, sir. This is your Artificial Intelligence Friday.
Translate. So phrase, so what we are getting in phrase, okay, sorry, my mistake. So I need to give parenthesis, and let's debug it again.
Hello, sir. This is your Artificial Intelligence Friday.
Translate. So yes, now we are getting actual text which we need to translate it. So this, how are you? Now we got the text. Now we will going to get the or send this phrase as the request to translate. So for that we have I'm giving an object translate or equals to translate client dot translate. So we need to give the value and language. So translate, this value will be the phrase, sorry, value phrase, then language will be the this. So we got Japanese, but we need to give the code, not the language name. So like for Japanese we have some J starting. So let's see. So here in my previous video I have created that. So in Japanese we have J, so we can't do this by static way, so we need to give it dynamic. So for that we need to use some of our earlier code. So for that here we need to create this loop. So here I'm going to create the loop. So for this languages, okay, so first we need to have the languages. So from here all we can get the languages and their code. So I'm going to copy it and pasting it here. So yes, we got the things. So now every time we will have the one dictionary in language. So now if list remove and the index of 1 dot lower, I'm keeping it equals to language dot get. I'm getting the name because we have the complete language name in name key. Let me show you that, like this, Indonesian. So now we need the target language. So for that I'm creating one more object. Target will be right now as blank, then target equals to language dot get, and we will have the language because we have code in language key. Now this target must be passed here, this. So now let's see what we will have. Translate, and I am debugging it again. Let's see what we will have in translate.
Hello, sir. This is your Artificial Intelligence Friday.
Translate. Okay, so we got some error. Let's see where we are getting error. Okay, so this is the bad request. Okay, here we are getting the bad request. So let's see why we are getting it.
Hello, sir. This is your Artificial Intelligence Friday.
Translate. Okay, so in phrase we are getting the right thing. In target, okay, so target keeping it as blank. So let's see why we are getting this. So we have the Japanese, this is correct, and language name should be correct, but why is that so? Let me check. Okay, so this is the Japanese. Let me check. Where it is. Okay, here Japanese, and here also we have Japanese. Then why it is not having here language? So spelling is correct, then language get name. Okay, got the things, because here this is the caps, so I need to make it lower, and then this. So let's now debug it again. Now it should be there.
Hello, sir. This is your Artificial Intelligence Friday.
Translate. So now let's see. So yes, now we are getting JA, the code and the phrase. So now I am pressing F8. Yes. Print translate, and then go on. So let's see in console. So yes, we are getting the dictionary. The translated text is this. Detected source language is English. And
Command not found.
okay, let me just stop it. And input as how are you. So let me just copy and let's see whether it is correct or not. So let me just translate.google, and yes, this is correct. How are you? So let's run it again and let's see in some other languages.
Hello, sir. This is your Artificial Intelligence Friday.
Translate. Okay, sorry, I need to give some other languages. So Japanese, just like I'm giving Hindi, which is my mother tongue.
Hello, sir. This is your Artificial Intelligence Friday.
Translate. So yes, this is correct. So in Hindi, how are you means kya haal hai. So now
Command not found.
let me just close it. Now I'm making it dynamic, so I'm removing it, and below of our code, here, not here, here, so I am passing the voice note. Now let's give the command from voice. So voice note is passed. Now let's run it and let's see what we will have. So I am running it from here.
Hello, sir. This is your Artificial Intelligence Friday.
Translate, how are you in English? So yes, we are getting how are you. Let's see some in some other languages.
Command not found.
Translate, how are you in Korean? So yes, we are getting. Let's see, is this correct or not? So translate. So yes, this is also correct. So now let me just make it more convenient. So here, so this is returning a dictionary text to this. Now we will have print the text dot get, and we will have the key, sorry, this one. Like this, yeah, and I'm removing the print from this function. Now let's run it again.
Hello, sir. This is your Artificial Intelligence Friday.
Translate, who are you in Hindi? Okay, so we are getting some attribute error, so let's see why we are getting this. So we need to implement this except also somewhere.
Hello, sir. This is your Artificial Intelligence Friday.
Translate, who are you in Hindi? Okay, so maybe I'm not returning anything, so stop it and go in the function. Oh, what is happening? So here, yes, so we need to return translate. Yes, now let's run it.
Hello, sir. This is your Artificial Intelligence Friday.
Translate, who are you in Hindi? So yes, we are getting this. Tum kaun ho? This is in Hindi. Now let's implement the exception handling also. So try and then accept attribute error, or in case index error, because we are using split kind of things. Okay, so we need to remove this, then again accept index error. Now we will have some message, so we are going to call play sound from poly, and that sound must be something. So translate error message, same we will call here also. Yeah, and now we need to give some message. So not every time this should be called, only once. So here, sorry, not able to translate, try again. Run it.
Hello, sir. This is your Artificial Intelligence Friday.
Translate ABCD. So I am not giving the actual command. So yes, we are getting some error. Why? Because we are not getting the target. So that should be also handled. So target, yes, here also. So if target equals to blank, then again play sound from poly this message, else this, sorry, this. So let's run it again.
Hello, sir. This is your Artificial Intelligence Friday.
Translate ABCD.
Sorry, not able to translate. Try again.
Yes, so it is working fine. So let's stop it. Now this is working fine. So I'll just summarize again. So first we need to import Google Cloud Translate module. Then we should have this translate client. Then I have created this function and passing an argument as phrase, which is the voice note. Then I have split it out because we need to remove the keyword, which is phrase, and the language name. So I have created this list and taking out or saving that in the list. So translate is here, and this is the language name, and this is the in or to in which we want to translate the text. So here, by making this loop, I am removing all the required words, then removing the spaces from starting point and the end point. Now I have created the target, and now here I am getting all the languages and their code, and this will be a dictionary. Now in this loop I am getting the actual language code in which we need to translate our text. So let me just make it space one here. Yeah, now here I am checking if that language is not in our dictionary, then this error message will speak by the poly. Now or else the phrase will be translated, and here all the exception handlings. And I have created in main one more elif, and here I have passed this translate function and the voice note. So that's it for this video. I hope you liked the video, and in next video we will implement that translated text must be converted into MP3 or voice, which will be speak by the Friday itself. So friends, till then, please don't forget to subscribe the channel, or if you really like the video, please hit the like button and do share with your friends and colleagues. Till then, thank you for watching. Jai Hind.